How to install Tanner double curtain track. Follow these simple steps and you'll have it installed in no time. Here is the complete Tanner double curtain track system, including all necessary accessories. Here are the tools needed for installation. Make sure to prepare them in advance. Okay, let's get started. Insert the fixing pin into the slot in one track. Slide the connector into the track slot on the top. Align the adjacent track's slot with the pin and push firmly to connect. Finally, secure the connector with a wrench to create a continuous track. Detach the track end cap and insert the counterweight into the track. Snap the end cap back into the track and secure it with the wrench. Mark the track installation position. Ceiling mount bracket components, mounting plate, bracket assembly. Detach the mounting plate from bracket. Mark drill points using the mounting plate. Punch holes for mounting. Insert the expansion screws. Secure the mounting plate with screws. Clip the track bracket onto the mounting plate. Note: engage first, then slide downward to lock in place. Use a wrench to tighten the locking screws at the bottom of bracket. Remove the screw from the counterweight on track. Insert the screw into the bracket hole, aligning it with the counterweight. Secure with a wrench, your track is now ready for curtain installation. Dual track installation order. Inner track, install first for proper clearance. Outer track, install after inner track is secured.